Did you know that bananas are not just a delicious snack, but also a powerhouse of nutrients? Bananas contain pectin, a fiber that helps regulate blood sugar and improve digestion. From supporting heart health to boosting energy, bananas are a daily health booster. Incorporating bananas into your diet can make a significant difference. Bananas are packed with essential vitamins and minerals that contribute to overall health. They are rich in vitamin C, vitamin B6, and potassium. These nutrients play crucial roles in maintaining bodily functions. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect the body against free radicals, while vitamin B6 is vital for brain health and cognitive function. Potassium helps regulate fluid balance, muscle contractions, and nerve signals. This nutritional profile makes bananas an ideal food to include in a balanced diet. One of the standout benefits of bananas is their positive impact on digestive health. The pectin found in bananas helps regulate the digestive process and prevent constipation. Additionally, bananas contain resistant starch, which feeds the beneficial bacteria in the gut. A balanced gut microbiome can improve digestion, enhance nutrient absorption, and boost the immune system. By including bananas in your daily diet, you can support a healthy digestive system and enjoy better overall health. When it comes to heart health, bananas are a fantastic choice. They are rich in potassium, a mineral that is essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. By consuming bananas regularly, you can help keep your blood pressure in check and reduce the risk of hypertension. The vitamin C in bananas also contributes to heart health by protecting blood vessels and improving circulation. This can lead to lower overall cholesterol levels and a reduced risk of cardiovascular diseases. Bananas are a natural energy booster, perfect for an active lifestyle. Rich in carbohydrates, they provide the body's primary energy source. Natural sugars in bananas offer immediate and sustained energy. Whether for the gym, a run, or a midday pick-me-up, bananas boost energy. Bananas can be a valuable addition to your diet. They are low in calories and high in fiber, helping you feel full and satisfied. The fiber in bananas slows down digestion, reducing overeating. Incorporating bananas into your diet can support weight management and a healthier lifestyle. Bananas are not only good for your internal health, but also for your skin. Rich in antioxidants like vitamin C and E, they protect the skin from damage. These antioxidants reduce wrinkles and fine lines, giving your skin a youthful glow. Natural oils in bananas soothe dry skin, making them a great natural remedy. Bananas can play a significant role in improving your mood and reducing stress levels. They contain tryptophan, an amino acid that the body converts into serotonin, a neurotransmitter that promotes feelings of happiness and well-being. By boosting serotonin levels, bananas can help alleviate symptoms of depression and anxiety. Bananas also contain magnesium, a mineral that has been shown to reduce stress and promote relaxation. Including bananas in your daily diet can help you manage stress and maintain a positive outlook on life. Bananas are a good source of nutrients that support bone health, including potassium, magnesium, and vitamin C. Potassium helps neutralize acids that can leach calcium from bones. Magnesium aids calcium absorption and bone formation. Vitamin C promotes collagen production. Include bananas in your diet to support bone strength. Bananas can also benefit your eye health thanks to their high content of vitamins and antioxidants. They are rich in vitamin A, which is essential for maintaining good vision. Vitamin A helps protect the cornea and is necessary for low light and color vision. In addition to vitamin A, bananas contain antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which protect the eyes from damage caused by blue light and oxidative stress. By incorporating bananas into your daily diet, you can support your eye health and maintain clear vision as you age. So there you have it, the benefits of eating a banana every day. From boosting your nutrition to supporting your heart and digestive health, bananas are amazing. They improve your skin, mood, and energy levels. What's your favorite way to eat bananas? Smoothies, snacks, or banana bread? Leave a comment below and share your tips. Check out my next video on healthy snacks. Stay healthy and enjoy those bananas.